Criminality setting in. Looters run riot in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love. Also this evening, frightening stories of residents searching for their loved ones days after Melissa hit Jamaica, and international community rallies to Jamaica's aid. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather report. Romaine?
Thanks, Anthony. Now, just to the west of the Jamaica area, we are monitoring a frontal system that has been presenting some showers and some isolated thunderstorms to sections of northern parishes. However, we do have partly cloudy and generally stable conditions across most of the south. Also in the Caribbean and the Atlantic, we do have quiet conditions. We're not expecting significant development over the next 2 weeks or so.
Thank you so much, Romaine. Later, we'll also have the Financial Week, Sports Commentary, and E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, how would you assess the international community's response to Jamaica's recovery efforts following Hurricane Melissa? Please share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.